Hey everybody, this is Northern Ohio Railroad Action here. I have another video announcement for you. I am going to be doing a premiere video tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This will be part 4 of the May Railfan Action and Other Special of Interest of 2020. I hope you can join me tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This will take place instead of my usual 2 p.m. time slot, which you'll see this reminder video today. So again, that's tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you can join me. Till then, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. This is Northern Ohio Railroad Action signing off.